with No Wait Weather.
All right.
And now we'd like to introduce our meteorologist.
Yeah,
Hi there.
we've got a little snow rolling through, and there's actually more than a little for some of our counties to the north and east where they're dealing with nearly a foot of snow already. So some shovel trouble for some, and it's heading our way for the morning. Let's get right to what's going on outdoors. It's fairly quiet in the FM area. We certainly have temperatures that have cooled off a bit. We're into the upper 30s right now. The wind, not as gusty, but still pretty brisk out there. An 18-mile-per-hour wind, meaning it feels like 30 degrees. 37, the current temperature in Moorhead. Grand Forks right now, 37. Feels like 30. A 9-mile-per-hour wind from the north and west. And here is a look at temperatures with the mildest weather right here in the southern Red River Valley for the Fargo area. 34 is in Devils Lake and in Langdon. We have 28 in Roseau, 31 in Bemidji, and it's 36 in both Wadena and Detroit Lakes. Wind speeds have tapered off significantly, but we still have that 15 to 20 mile per hour sustained wind. A few gusts up near Thief River this evening, combined with the snowflakes that are flying, visibilities will be greatly reduced. Look at this storm system over the last 12 hours spinning its wheels. Persistent snow in the elevated terrain of the Iron Range. So the North Shore picking up some very healthy totals. Silver Bay over 11 inches of snow reported. And as we move out towards the west, as this snow continues to press toward the west, reports in and around places like Williams and Baudette, 8 to 10 inches of snow, and still snowing in these areas. International Falls, an early report of 6 inches. And even in the Roosevelt area in Roseau County, a solid 8 inches of wintry weather there. We're starting to see a little heavier transition of this rain shower activity to snow near Detroit Lakes, so we may be getting some sprinkles of rain mixing with flakes. It will start accumulating as it comes down. Now, it appears like lighter snow in and around the Thief River Falls area, spreading out towards western Roseau and eastern Kennedy County as we take, or Hallock area, as we take a look at the FM area. Ada seeing the rain showers with the heavier snows here in the dark blue near White Earth. As we head to the overnight, your hour-by-hour forecast shows the snow continuing to press off to the south and west, kind of backwards from our typical movement of snow. Notice this band gets very narrow, so a lot fewer of us will be seeing snow at any one given time. By the time we get to the mid-morning hours, the heavy snow will be moving out of the area of north central Minnesota. We could be dealing with some early morning showers of snow, though, moving through the Detroit Lakes and Fargo-Moorhead area. That will be not too huge as far as their aerial coverage, and then hit and miss flurries of snow throughout the afternoon while the main band continues to drive into our southern and westernmost counties. Most of us only in the 30s for our day, and it does look like winds will be pretty brisk early, around 20 to 25 miles per hour, but decrease late in the day. Snowfall potential, we're talking up to a foot in portions of Lake of the Woods County. Extreme northern portions of Beltrami County could also see some of that, as well as the eastern reaches of Roseau County. 1 to 3 inches. At 1 inch total comes fairly close to the Grand Forks area. I think under a ½ inch for the Fargo area, although briefly we could see times when we have just a little bit more of that. The winter storm warning does continue for north and easternmost counties, northern Beltrami and Lake of the Woods County through tomorrow. Temperatures in the 30s, rising to the upper 30s in the afternoon. A cold north wind. We'll only see 29 on your way home from school in Langdon, 43 though in Aberdeen. And that mixed precipitation in the afternoon hours will generally be down in our southern and western counties as we go through the latter part of the day. It should wrap up. Here's a look at another gorgeous sunset near Bagley. The planning forecast shows after the snow and our St. Patrick's Day, we'll see a little bit of a milder day on Friday, but not much of a difference until the weekend. Then we start to see spring arrive at 11:30 at night, and it gets a little more spring-like, especially as we head into Tuesday. Tuesday can't rule out some rain showers in the south, some snow showers in the north.
All right, so we just have to take care of tonight, overnight, tomorrow, a little bit.
Think about all our friends enjoying their snowmobiles in Baudette.
Yeah, no kidding, right?
Yeah.
All right, are you a frequent rider of Uber? If so, listen up. Uber has rolled out a new app that could impact your next ride. Stay tuned.
And keeping yourself safe. North Dakotans aren't doing as well as others in the country when it comes to colorectal cancer screenings.